Best algorithmic trading software. Algorithmic trading software is only useful when the strategy is clearer than the automation. The algorithmic trading software shortlist focuses on backtesting, execution, market data, risk controls, coding needs, and the discipline required before live trading. A rule needs to survive testing before automation. A trading algorithm usually begins with a simple idea: reduce risk when volatility rises. This is general information, not financial, investment, or trading advice. Algorithmic trading involves risk, and backtested results do not guarantee future performance. QuantConnect for research, style, strategy building. QuantConnect is one of the strongest choices for traders who want a serious research and development environment. That makes it useful for people who want to go beyond simple chart signals and build a more systematic trading process. That is valuable if you want your trading ideas to be more reproducible and less dependent on manual chart reading. The trade-off: QuantConnect is not the easiest option for a complete beginner who does not want to code. TradeStation is strong when trading logic and execution need to live together. TradeStation is a classic platform for active traders who want charting, analysis, brokerage access, backtesting, and automation in one environment. That is useful when you want the research, charting, testing, and execution workflow to feel connected instead of spread across separate tools. But easier coding does not make a strategy safer. A backtest can look strong because it was over-optimized, because costs were ignored, or because the strategy only worked in one market environment. NinjaTrader is a natural fit for futurist traders. NinjaTrader is especially relevant for futures traders who want advanced charting, strategy development, and automated execution tool. That matters in futures because speed, leverage, and order management can change the risk profile quickly. A small mistake in automation can become expensive if position size, stop placement, or live execution is not controlled properly. It is not a tool to use casually. Interactive brokers for custom systems and broad market access. Interactive brokers is different from platforms built mainly around charts. When you build with APIs, the software does not protect you from bad logic by default. You need error handling, risk controls, order checks, logging, monitoring, and a way to stop the system quickly if something goes wrong. Interactive brokers is best when you are ready to manage the technical side, not just connect a strategy and hope it works. MetaTrader 5 is built around trading robots. MetaTrader 5 is one of the most recognized platforms for automated trading, especially through brokers that support Forex, CFDs, and other markets. But that is also where traders need to be careful. A robot available online is not automatically reliable. MetaTrader 5 is useful when you want an established automated trading environment, but every robot and every assumption still needs to be verified before going live. MultiCharts for traders who care about testing depth. MultiCharts is worth considering when backtesting, optimization, charting, and automated strategy development are central to the workflow. It can suit people who want serious testing and automation without being tied to only one broker environment. MultiCharts is not the first tool I would choose for someone who has never tested a trading idea before. It is better for traders who already know they need a stronger backtesting, optimization, and execution flexibility. TradingView is best for visual strategy design. TradingView is one of the most useful platforms for turning trading ideas into visible rules. Its charting environment is clean, popular, and easy to understand. But TradingView is not always a complete automated execution system by itself. TradingView is best for designing, testing, and refining ideas before deciding how they should be executed. The backtest is where many traders get fooled. A great looking backtest is one of the most dangerous things in algorithmic trading, and the drawdown may look tolerable on a screen but feel different with real money. It does not remove the need for judgment. Paper trading, forward testing, conservative assumptions, position limits, and live monitoring are still part of the process. Match the platform to the control you can maintain. QuantConnect is strongest for coding, research, backtesting, and quant style development. Algorithmic trading software can make execution more consistent, but it cannot make a weak strategy strong. What would you rule out first from your algorithmic trading software shortlist?